Do you know that with every step you take, you leave a footprint behind that never goes away? Do you have any idea of the impact your footprint can have in a place as far as Africa? What we are talking is about carbon footprint. Do you know what it is?
From the name, it must be related to some carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, something.
Now, let us tell you what it actually is. Carbon footprint is the measure of the impact our behavior has on the climate changes. It is basically related to the amount of greenhouse gases we emit in our day-to-day life through burning of fossil fuels for our use. Do you think that you are not responsible for it? Each time as you do any of these activities, you are leaving behind a carbon footprint.
Manufacturing or producing everything, you need electricity, you need energy, and most of it today comes from burning fossil fuels. The more your carbon footprint, the more is the pressure on the planet to deliver on your needs. There are finite resources, we keep on destroying them, our needs are increasing day by day, day by day. To meet those needs, we again keep destroying the planet, and the planet is not getting time to replenish itself.
Electricity is one of the biggest producer of carbon emissions. So every time you switch on the geyser or turn on your laptop, you're adding to global warming. By simply switching off these items when you are not using them will reduce your carbon footprint contribution.
Emission of carbon kind of results in increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and it is both a scientific as well as scenario prediction that the global mean temperatures are expected to increase or are estimated to increase with this increased concentration of carbon dioxide.
And do you know how it is affecting the environment? So now do you want to know how not to end it in a hot soup? To reduce carbon footprint, you must unplug your mobile phone as soon as it has finished charging, turn off your lights, television, DVD players, computers, etc. when not in use. Defrost your refrigerator, freezer regularly. Do your weekly shopping in a single trip. Hang out the washing to dry rather than tumble drying it. Go for a run rather than drive to the gym. Even when you drive, switch off the car when waiting at a signal.
Main sources are transport sector, then industrial sector, agriculture, and energy sector. These are the main sectors which are the sources for greenhouse gas emissions. The State Pollution Control Board has completed the greenhouse gas emission inventory with respect to transport sector for Bangalore and other 7 towns, and in the next phases the other towns will be covered.
If an average Bangalorean can leave 0.002 tons of carbon footprint, then how much the whole population of Bangalore will leave remains a big question.